Hi, friend. So I have been showing you ways that you can use AI, mainly ChatGPT, and incorporate it into your everyday life. And I'm showing you this just so that you can see how easy it is to use AI and ChatGPT, and also so that you could see how it could really help you in your everyday life to be more efficient, more organized, and things like that. So that's kind of what I've been doing here. And also, I use it in my everyday life. I use it to do things for organizing, I use it to ask questions. I use it to help me come up with the digital products and things that I sell. So I use it all the time. And I think it's a wonderful tool. And I think that more people need to know about it, which is why I'm here educating more people on AI and ChatGPT. So today, the last couple of days, we've been using it for fun things. And so today we're going to use it for something a little more serious. Um, I don't know. You be the judge of it. But so today, what we're going to do is, have you ever been somewhere or where you've had like poor customer service, or, something bad has happened and you need to write a letter of complaint or something like that? And you sit down and it takes you forever to try to come up with the words to say. Well, today I am going to give you a prompt, and you are going to be able to take that prompt and keep it in your stash and have it for when you need to write a letter of complaint or something like that. So it's going to be there for you. So the prompt is going to be down in the description. But for now, I am going to go over to ChatGPT and show you my screen, and we are going to work through this prompt and get a letter together. So come with me. Here we go. I'm going to share my screen. I have already uploaded the prompt in here that you can see, and the prompt is going to be in the description below for you. The prompt says, I need help drafting what type of letter for a customer service issue. The problem is, and you tell what the problem is. I'd like the tone to be, say what the tone would be. Please include the following details in the letter. So you would list any specific details or anything like that. So I created the prompt. It's a fillable based prompt. So I've filled in some of the things for you. You could use what I've put there, or you could take those out and you could put in your own. So let's go ahead and let's fill this out. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to get a letter or a request for any type of customer service issue that you have. Okay. So I had an incident a couple days ago where I went to Wendy's and I got horrible service. So if I wanted to send this letter, I could come here and I could use this prompt and I could send a letter to Wendy's letting them know how horrible my service was. So we're going to use that for an example. So I need help drafting I'm just going to put complaint here. So let's delete this. I've already got complaint there. I need help drafting a complaint letter for a customer service issue. The problem is, so I'm going to say exactly what the problem is. The problem is I, let's see, visited your Wendy's location and I received horrible customer service. And then I'm going to say the tone, I would like it to be, let's see if ChatGPT knows this tone. I'm going to say I want it to be nicety. Have you guys ever heard of that before? Nicety means nice, nasty. Get your point across. I want it to be nicety. Let's see if ChatGPT can recognize that. Please include the following details in the letter. So the date of the purchase, the desired resolution. So I'm going to put my visit was on, I don't remember when it was, but let's just make up a date. 12, 23, 24. And the customer service was horrible. I was not greeted. Chick-fil-A got us spoiled. I was not greeted. My order was incorrect. And the person in the window didn't even look at me when I asked for my order to be corrected. And on top of all of that, my fries were cold. That's horrible when your fries are cold. My fries were cold. I would like for your staff to, let's see, how can I put it? Be talked to. ChatGPT will give me a better way to say that. Be talked to, and I would like a voucher for a free meal. Now, if I were going to send this, I would probably put in like the address and more details if I needed to, but I'm just trying to do something quick to show you how you could get a quick letter and it's not going to take you all day to try to think of what to say. So let's go ahead and send this and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It says, here's a draft of your complaint letter. It's going to give me my name. I'm going to fill out all this, customer service department, Wendy's headquarters, concern regarding customer service experience at the location. Also, I have a place for that to put in my letter. Dear Wendy's customer service team, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to express my concern about a disappointing experience I had during my visit to your location on December 23rd, 2024. During my visit, I encountered several issues that left me feeling dissatisfied and disappointed. First, I was not greeted when I approached the drive-through window, which immediately set a negative tone for the interaction. Secondly, my order was incorrect, and when I kindly asked for it to be corrected, the employee at the window did not look at me or acknowledge my request. To add to the frustration, my fries were served cold, which further diminished the overall experience. As a loyal customer who values Wendy's for its quality and service, this visit was far below the standard I have come to expect. I would like to kindly request that the staff at this location be addressed regarding customer service protocols to ensure a more welcoming and attentive experience for all guests in the future. Additionally, I would greatly appreciate a gesture of goodwill, such as a voucher for a free meal, to demonstrate Wendy's commitment to customer satisfaction and restoring my confidence in your brand. Thank you for taking the time to read my concerns and address this matter. I trust that Wendy's will take the necessary steps to ensure such experiences do not reoccur. I look forward to your response. Sincerely, yours, Fatima. And just like that, I have a letter that I can send off that would have taken me probably an hour to come up with. Well, maybe not an hour, probably a good half an hour though. And now I have a letter that ChatGPT helped me write in a matter of a minute or less that I can send that will get hopefully Wendy's will, pay attention to. I'm not really going to send it. I did have that experience, but I'm not really going to send it. And you can use this positively too. If you wanted to write a letter praising, customer service or things like that, you could use this for just the opposite. So I'm going to stop my screen share. And so just like that, you have a letter that you can send off to customer service. And this could apply to so many things in your life that you would need to, maybe send off a letter to. So again, I'm just here showing you how easy it is to use AI and how much easier it could make your life if you understand what it does and how you can use it. So again, the prompt is going to be below. You can copy and paste it and you can play with it. And that's how you're going to get to know how ChatGPT can work for you. It's just by playing with it and putting prompts in and seeing what you come up with. So AI is a wonderful thing, in my opinion. I love it. It helps me do so much. And in 2025, you're going to be hearing a lot about AI. So it's best that you learn a lot about it now as much as you can and stay on top of it so you won't be one of the ones who gets left behind by not knowing what AI can do for you and how you can benefit from it. So that's it for today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I am going to come to you with more educational bits about ChatGPT and AI. So that's it for now. Have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye, friend.